Hello everyone. I want to show you for the bloom of today the butterfly bush. Buddleia, lo and behold, blue chip. Isn't that stunning? Look at these gorgeous dark purple. And we have a few other varieties here. We have a magenta rose here. And this one is called Behold Pink Microchip. And the thing about butterfly bushes is they are guaranteed to bring you butterflies into the garden. Oh, look at this big, beautiful, bright color. This is Miss Ruby, Buddleia Miss Ruby. I love it. And look at this interesting one with the white and blue. Oh, so gorgeous. Let's see what this one is. Now these, by the way, they're not hardy in Ontario, really. We're lucky to get them returning in our gardens. Really, they need to be put in a protected south-facing wall near a house, and then you have a greater chance. Plus, if you mulch them very well for the winter, they need extra care to try to get them to return every year. There are places where they do make it, but it's chancy. I tend to plant them as an annual, and then if they come back, it's like a bonus. So this is blueberry pie. I like this blueberry pie very much. And now I spotted a really spectacular one. What is this? This has this dark purple, beautiful, big flower. What is this? It's called Pugster Amethyst. Beautiful. I love it. Gorgeous. Anyway, guys, the butterfly bush, you should include it in your garden. Even if they are not hardy, plant it as an annual and enjoy it for the year.